Okay, patuloy po tayo. Unang camp nating papasukin itong subcamp number 1, Senior Camp Tinubong. Well, there is something going on siguro doon. Susubukan natin i-cover yung mga kaganapan sa loob ng subcamp number 1, Tinubong. Yan, ito yung mga kampo comprising yung subcamp 1, Tinubong, and we are rushing up, no? Nagmamadali tayo para maabutan natin itong ongoing activity kaugnay po nitong open house sa araw na ito. So thanks God, it's Friday TGIF, as we now have to give you a live coverage of the activities ongoing dito sa subcamp number 1 named Tinubong, and we have our Girl Scouts out of Philippines now seated, squatting sa almost dried grasses and of course enjoying. Okay, may kumakaway dun, na-interviewin natin. Magandang dalaga. Cagayan National High School. Baybayog and that Alcala, Cagayan. Okay, and how does it feel to be staying under the sun, ma'am?
It feels good.
And how your impression about the campsite? Do you really feel good?
Too hot.
Too hot. Okay, because you made it hotter when you are here. Okay. So ganito po ang situation natin. Sorry. Ito, bakit ito mga naka-costume ito? Saan kayo magpe-perform? Okay. Okay. So there, you have it, a live coverage through the facilities of DGCV Tuguegarao City. Magbibigay po tayo ng buhay. Mabuhay kayo or patay na? And your name, ma'am?
Rosalie. I'm Rosalie Dupo from Baybayog High School, Alcala, Cagayan.
And we have to say condolence sa Alcala dahil namatay yung asawa ng ating governor.
Condolence kay Governor.
Yes, nice lady, ha?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay kayo. Yes, mabuhay kayo. So, iikot tayo rito nang magbigay tayo ng mga minute by minute, blow by blow nitong mga kaganapan. Right inside yung subcamp number 1 na napangalan ng Tinubong. Sang schools kayo? Don Severino. What municipality yun? Peña Blanca. Calao Caves, okay? And ano ang feelings nyo? Are you enjoying your camping? You really enjoy, okay? O say hi to your mom and dad, baka manunod sila. Anyone.
Papunta lang sila.
Ay, nandito na sila? Papunta pa lang, okay. I wish them bon voyage, okay? Patuloy po tayo sa pagbibigay ng live coverage. So here we are. And yung secretariat natin for subcamp Tinubong. We listen to the public address. We now have the awarding of prizes.
Then we have the third Pagcao National Agricultural School. Then the fourth, we have Apasing National High School. And for number 5, Ballesteros National High School.
So there you have it for the announcement of the winners, as we have to go on with our minute by minute, blow by blow account. Yes, so most of them are now waving us their hands, and I hope you are enjoying. Enjoy ba kayo? And your name is? Okay, so please continue enjoying, okay? Ito, naka-uniforme.
Thank you po.
Huwag niyo ipagsasabi. Baka malaman nila na nag-encamp kayo rito sa bayan ng Ballesteros, okay? Silence please, secret. Uy, okay.
General, automatic na siya yung number 1 sa subcamp. Sa bala ang i-receive niya yun, 2. dalawang certificate. Okay? Yung mga, ganun din sa slogan, English and Filipino. So mamayang gawin natin i-award yan.
So, unti-unti tayong umiikot-ikot, pinapaligiran po natin itong grupo ng mga Girl Scouts of the Philippines dito sa Subcamp number 1 Tinubong, na kung saan ay nagkakaroon sila ng activity. And then, well, what a nice group. Okay.
Baka mamaya, type A ulit. Baka pag-uwi natin bukas, type A ulit. No?
Yeah.
Okay, last na type A ngayon. Okay? So yung mga girls natin, girls, pwede na parang pupunta sa subcamp, ay sa tent natin. Mga titas, please join us here. Please join us. And please bring your own plate and spoon. Please lang. Lahat ng titas, fellowship din natin to. Dito tayo lahat kakain.
Okay, so pati tayo, invited tayo rito, ha. Okay. Dito sa presidential table ng Subcamp Tinubong ay naririnig po natin yung mga address, yung mga public address system, and then, well, tapos na po yung activity natin.
Opo, sir.
Okay, para sa para sa DCCV Tuguegarao City, ma'am, can you give us some details of what transpired a while back? Ma'am? Tinuturuan mo dahil maganda. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, kasi wala ako kanina.
Ay, wala ka. Where have you been, ma'am? How is the Queen? You've been to London? Kaya wala kayo. Okay. Ma'am, good afternoon, good hanoon. Para sa facilities ng DGCV Tuguegarao City, we want to know and find out yung activities natin na katatapos lang, because I was not, parehas ka ni ma'am na late kami sa pagpunta. Ma'am, and you are?
Mrs. Raquel Teodoro po.
From
Calawagan Dakyol National High.
How about the Calawagan Basit? Wala ba yun?
Meron po.
Meron ba?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, yes, you are now free to say anything you want to say about what happened during a while back dito sa Subcamp number 1 Tinubong. Ma'am, go ahead.
Today is our Pista sa Nayon po.
Not only your day, our day.
Our po, today. Yes.
Yes, thanks God. It's Friday.
And yes, we presented our top 5 for the song interpretation in Subcamp 1. And then the students are the Girl Scouts of the Philippines from Subcamp 1 also presented their talents.
Talents.
Yes.
Unlimited talents.
Unlimited talents. Using their Filipiniana attire.
That's why I saw some scouts kanina na in their native attires. Is that so?
Yes.
And they did perform well.
Yeah. Excellently.
Excellent, superb.
Super.
Okay, and now one last question. Our team is Connect, Protect, and Respect.
Yes.
For the 2014 Girl Scouts of the Philippines Provincial Encampment right here sa bayan ng mga superstars, Ballesteros, Cagayan. How do you find yung everything about the campsite?
Naranyag.
Be honest. Be honest.
It is Naranyag, Ballesteros. Everything is clean. Everything conducive for encampment, provincial encampment. Ano pa, napakaganda para sa amin. And the people are very hospitable.
Hospitable.
Wala kaming masasabi.
Nice.
They're accommodating.
Bayan.
Okay.
Accommodating.
Very accommodating in all the problems that you have encountered. You didn't have any hassle. Okay, yeah. Hey, hello to Ballesteros then. Okay. Nice. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to take their comments and suggestions. If you do have some suggestions and comments, go ahead, ma'am.
No, sir, but the campsite is excellent, superb. Talaga. Sana dito ulit ang camping.
Yeah, makakarating kay ating executive.
Regional.
Yeah.
One for regional. Number one is the mayor is talaga super.
Ma'am Dory.
Ay,
Doris, yung nabanggit ba ninyo ay taus-pusong nagmumula sa... Wow! Na makinig ka, Mayor Valen Unite, ha, sa mga comments and ano yun?
No suggestions.
Compliments
No.
coming
Yes.
from
Yes.
the people who have enjoyed their short stay. You will be staying here for 5 days, and we do hope that for the 5 days that you...
Pang-national encampment.
Wow!
Yeah.
Kaya ng Ballesteros ang
Kayang-kayang
no, yung expenses for a national, and we are only more than 5,000 ngayon, pag national na yan.
Will be
So,
double.
not only doubled.
From another places like Mindanao.
Mindanao.
You have been there?
Here.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I wasn't there. Okay, so sa ngalan po ng DCCV, Tuguegarao City, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Idol Paul, be with you.
Nice.
Idol Paul, be with you. Your final option. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. And I love all the comments. Makakarating kay Mayor Valen Unite together with the Vice Mayor.
We love it.
Yeah, with the love.
We love DCCB. We love
Sir Cadel, pakinggan mo yung nasabi nila. We love DCCV. Kaya love na love nila. Okay.
To DCCB.
Yeah, and I have my program there. It's your Idol Paul, be with you. Is the title, yeah. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Nice group of beautiful ladies. Thank you so much.